How to find 3/4 of a number. Let's say the number is 96. Now translate. Of means multiplication sign, right? Now look, this is a fraction, this is the whole number. So your responsibility is to convert this whole number into fraction, considering 1 as a denominator. Now multiply this fraction with this fraction, multiply top number together and bottom number together. 3 times 96, 3 times 6, 18, bring down 8, carry on to the next. 9 times 3, 3 times 9, 27, plus 1, 28. 4 times 1, 4. Now divide this numerator by this denominator. 4 goes into 2, how much? 0 times 4, 0, subtract 2, bring down this 8. 4 goes into 28, how many times? Okay. 7 times 4, 28, subtract 0, bring down this 8. 4 goes into 8, how many? 2 times 4, 8, subtract 0. So 72. This is the answer. So this is the way of finding 3/4 of a number.